Hey party people, let's create a simple glam look for this new year. Firstly, don't forget to conceal any imperfections. We want to start the new year with a flawless canvas. Adding little blush to make this new year more happier. Once the base is set, it's time to move on to the star of the look, the black wing eyeliner. Now I know wing liner can be intimidating, but trust me, with a little practice, you will be a pro in no time. Now it's time for the pout to pop. Let's move on to our glossy lips. I have got the perfect combo. I love to apply a lip liner and then a glossy, glamorous sparkle lip gloss. And ta-da! Stay fabulous. Have a happy new year.